Originally from Limpopo, but currently in Pretoria. I'm a musician, a rapper, slash, zonke ziyangena.
All right. Superstar.
Yes, sir.
Wona ngazaza ukuthi hayi this one is going to drop what he's doing.
Zazel,
Tell me, what's your name? Where you from?
Igama lami uSlem Twice mfana kaDlambili. I'm from Limpopo, but currently in Pretoria.
What are you here today?
Keep it corner. Keep it corner here on Next on stage.
Okay, are you nervous?
No, I'm not.
Hey, wena ublablinyana, you got this.
Yes.
Are you winning today?
Ngizowina, no ways.
No, there's no other way.
There's no other way.
Did you prepare? What's the inspiration for your preparation today?
I just decided which is another track applying which one which is the one that I'm gonna perform today, and it's a rap and freestyle category.
Oh, so it's a rap and freestyle.
Yes.
Is it safe for you to do what you did online?
Yes.
Hey, okay, I guess we never know. Well, all the best.
Ngiyabonga sisi wami.
Come, my Limpopo guy. Hey, wena, bathini phaka?
Bathe ngishayile, I'm gonna be on the next round.
Hayi wena.
Yes, even the judge they are interested. They're like, yes, ngibashayile.
What washayile?
Ngibashayile.
Ayezi.
Yes, hayi kancane futhi.
All right.
Ngize nenye.
Congratulations, we'll see you.
Ngiyabonga my sister.
Asibonge. Danke.